Hi friends, Rashmi here. I want to convey a message to all the viewers. Okay, so today I want to explain a site that is preethiworld.in. Okay, so this is a site where it is offering for very low price. Okay, so you can see the various products which is being displayed in the video, and it is very low. We can't say one fourth also, so because it is less than the one fourth price they are offering. You can see the MRP price of turbo spin mop, it is 999, but they are offering for 149 rupees. So I'm just scrolling down, and you can see the Pigeon company, the pressure cooker. It is a combo offer, that is a 2 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters. Okay, they are offering you for 399 rupees. Okay, but the MRP it is 1399. And just I'm just scrolling down, you can see various things. And apart from this, let me add in the cart. Okay, just will I'll just check view cart. Okay, so yeah, let me add few details, and I'm just proceed to check out. Okay, so just you need to enter few details, and I'm just scrolling down. Okay, so it is asking for cash free option, means there are only the online payment options are available. There is no cash on delivery, but however on the top right corner, okay, you can see cash on delivery option, but it is not into the payment option. Okay, so if I tap on this proceed to cash free option, you are having the card payment, UPI, wallet, and net banking, and there is no cash on delivery option. So all the credit card, bank details, everything will be traced from the third party. So what I'm requesting you, because in this pandemic situation everyone was suffering. Okay, and the hardened money, it's being looted by the people. Okay, so I request you not to go through the sites where they are offering like at very low cost. And you know about the platforms which are providing very good offers. And so I don't want to comment on that. And so because this is the main motto of this video, is to create an awareness, as early I have told to you. And so be careful of this. And even if you're purchasing anything on online, just google it once. Okay, if the cash on delivery option is there, then it is very safe for you, you can purchase it. If the cash on delivery option is not there, okay, so 99% it is a fake website. Okay, so once again I'm just checking the details. Okay, so Preeti World is fake or real. Okay, here it is being mentioned the company is a fraudulent one. They are looting people's money by displaying attractive deal. So it is been mentioned, don't buy from this site, as items will never come to your hand, or you will be able to get refund your money. Okay, there are few videos which was being posted on YouTube. So this is a small video from my end, so I request not to go through this preethiworld.in website. And even you can see the complaints which are being registered. Okay, so you can see, and they have filed the complaint. And even after filing the complaint, there is no use, guys, because even I have also lost the money. Okay, on one online website where I paid and I didn't receive the product. Okay, and so you can see various things which has been posted, the complaints has been raised. And so I request everyone to be alert. Okay, because on these days we are using and on all digital marketing and other few stuffs which are dragging customers, but it should be in a good way. Okay, So I'm just requesting everyone, okay, please be careful about this. Okay, and there is one more site, I'll just tell you. Okay, it's Fusion. Yeah, once again I'll just checking. Yeah, Fusion Collection. Okay, here is a customer. Okay, his name is KK something. Okay, so it has been mentioned, as many consumers have given complaint about Fusion Collection in the same categories. So Fusion Collection is one more online site. Okay, fraud site, I can say it. And Preeti World also, it is a fraud site. So cybercrime has to take a note of the same. It has been mentioned from the customer. So this is the video about this. And if you like the video, I request you to please like the channel, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching and providing time for me. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.